We have a new toy. Keep going, keep going. These are poles from an ultra cheap badminton net that just got broken by Connor. Connor Wade broke it.
How did that do it?
I thought that was the ice cream truck coming down the road.
Listen, don't do yours.
Yeah, do one at a time.
Hey, my turn.
Faster.
Not that tongue.
That is pretty
Not
cool.
that tongue. I'm gonna go as fast as I can.